What's going on, guys? It's me, Lindsay with LindsayMoore.com. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make $100 per day with launch jacking. Now, before I get into today's training, make sure you click on the subscribe button below and also hit that notification bell so that way you can get more updates when I do videos like this onto YouTube. Now, like I said, I'm going to show you how to make $100 per day with launch jacking. And the reason why I decided to do this video today was because I just sent out an email broadcast to my email list. And even when I've shared my story about affiliate marketing, I've always told people how, like, the first time that I ever heard about it, how I just recorded some videos of and did reviews of affiliate products, and I made my first $1,500 in my first 30 days. And what's so crazy about this, I think I've also done a training on YouTube about this as well, on how simple this is. And I think what holds a lot of people back from taking action is because I think some people may think that, have like limiting beliefs that it's not that easy to make money, that you have to go and work super hard on something in order to make money, and you really don't. Like I said, this is something that's really simple to do. It didn't cost me any money to get started, and like I said, it's still a big, not a big part, but I do a few of these type of affiliate things every now and then, but not as much as I did in the beginning. But like I said, if you are struggling right now to generate some income online, I'm telling you right now, this is like by far one of the easiest ways to get started. And then I'm going to share with you something that you can do that can help you take it up a notch, because it's something that I didn't do the first time around. But like I said, I'll go ahead and show that to you. So what is launch jacking? Okay, so launch jacking is basically where you can go to an affiliate site or something like that. You can see what the top selling products are. Usually those top selling products are currently going through a launch at that time sometimes. And then also you have websites that will give you updates on what upcoming launches are. And what you do is you just go ahead and create content with launch jacking. Pretty much you create content before the actual product is released. So like I did products that were already had just launched, and I've also did products that were getting ready to launch within the next few weeks. And what you do is you just create content, like video content, maybe a blog post or something like that. You target those keywords for that product, and you try to get ranked on to YouTube and to maybe even Google or whatever else. So you go ahead and have that top place of the rankings secured. So when the actual product is launched, and people start looking around, they're going to see your content because it's already been up there for a little bit longer. That's what launch jacking is, pretty much, in the short of it. And then, like I said, I did that, and I also just did reviews of products that were the top sellers on some of these affiliate products. So that's the way I'm going to show you right now. Like I said, like, this is by far one of the quickest ways to do it. Okay. So what you'll do is you'll come over to a site like Jvzoo, Jvzoo.com, and they offer a wide variety of products. I primarily use it for my niche, which is, internet marketing, make money online, and things like that. And it's free to join to get started with Jvzoo. Now, what I would do is, once you come over here to Jvzoo, if you click on the affiliates tab right here, and you scroll down, you're going to see where it says find products, okay? So you'll click that option, and it'll bring you to a page like this. So they'll have a full list of every product that they have, but what you're going to do is, right here, it says recent bestsellers. It's like the second line right before they start showing you all the various products. So what I would do is I'll click on the link that says today. Now once you're over here, it's going to show you the top selling products of today, the ones from yesterday, the past 7 days, and the past 30 days. And what I simply did, guys, I kid you not, all I did was I went through all the top sellers for today, yesterday, past 7 days and 30 days, and I requested a link first, right? Because you can't just pick a product over here and get a link. You do have to request permission to promote the offer. So if you click on affiliate details, it's going to bring you to this little form here. And what you can simply do is just say, you see like the vendor name is Brett. So you can do something like, hi Brett, I'm requesting permission to promote this product, okay? If you're brand new to the space, you probably don't have any assets yet, meaning like you don't have any your own traffic source, like your own email list, or know how to generate traffic. So you want to start with this. Now, in most cases, when you're starting off in the beginning, if you don't have any, what's the one word? Like sales history, pretty much, you probably will be put on delayed commissions. And that means you'll probably just have to wait 30 days or so in order to get your commissions. But that's only because you're new to the website. They don't know who you are. So they got to see if you're going to bring in sales. Now, once you start bringing in your own sales and things like that, and then you continue to apply for different, affiliate products on Jvzoo, and the same thing with like Warrior Plus and things like that. They'll give you, not delayed commission, they'll give you instant commission. So that way, as soon as you get a sale, you're going to see that sale into your PayPal, pretty much, right? But in the beginning for you, if you don't have any sales history, you might just be delayed, but that's fine, okay? So you just want to make sure that you request affiliate approval, like I just did right here, right? And then what I will simply do is, guys, I promise you, I didn't spend any money on buying the products. Like I said, at that time, excuse me, guys, I'm getting a little sick. But at that time, I was working a full-time job. I was putting a lot of money back into my business, making a lot of mistakes and things like that. And the last thing I could do is just go and buy every product that was on the top seller list. Okay? So literally, this is all I did. So once I got my link, right, I will come over here to the sales page. I will get a free screen recording software. It's the same one that I'm using now, but I just have the paid version. But I'm going to put a link below. It's screencast-o-matic.com. You can record your screen up to 15 minutes. You can have your picture in the top right, like how I do now, or you can just simply record your screen without you showing your face or whatever. And all I would do is I will come over here. I will watch the video myself. I'll probably take down some notes or whatever, see what the product is about. Then I'll start recording my screen, and I will literally do like a summary of the sales page. That is it. I didn't do anything crazy. I didn't buy the product. I didn't do like a full back office tour and all stuff like that. And those are some of the things you do want to do over time, because it's going to make you your reviews more solid and things like that. But in the beginning, this is what I did. And depending on the price, sometimes I will create my own bonuses. So I will go to YouTube University, pretty much. I'll watch some videos, learn some things about how to generate leads on Facebook, how to generate traffic and things like that. And I will create my own quick bonuses. They might be like a website, like a quick little WordPress site or something like that. Now I have like 3 to 4 videos on there, just explaining to people about the bonus that they was going to receive, and like the traffic, like whatever the bonus was that I was giving away. And that was it. This is all I did, guys. I just read the sales page. Not like I just read it word for word and just scrolled down. I'm just like, hey guys, if you want to know in the next 60 seconds how to make thousands of dollars by doing the things you already love, then guess what? You're going to really love this product. And if you come over here to this page, you can see right here, step 1, you can just log into the cloud-based software. And step 2, you can create your own content. And step 3, now you're earning residual income. How amazing is that, right? And then I'll kind of go scroll down the page and, show some of the results. I'm like, guys, this is the sales page. This is some of the results that people are receiving. And if you want to get access to this, if you go underneath this video in the description below, you're going to get a link that's going to bring you directly to this page. And once you are here, all you will have to do is just scroll down the page, and where it says get instant access now, go ahead, click on that link, and you can go ahead and purchase this product. That was my videos in the beginning, because I didn't really know what to do. I didn't have a lot of value to offer to people at that time, but that's how I got started. Now, what the key is, you don't just want to do one review, right? So like I said, you come back over here to Jvzoo, and like I said, for almost everyone, because like sometimes like they'll kind of repeat themselves. As you see, like Members Kit is the top selling product for today and yesterday. So, a lot of them are going to be kind of redundant. But I went ahead and applied and got affiliate links for each of these products, and I did the same thing. That's all I did, and I uploaded those videos to YouTube. That's it, and that's how I was able to earn my first $1,500 online. It is just that simple, guys. It really is. So don't overthink this process. It's people who are doing this right now and earning at least about $1,000 per week, and they're doing it from YouTube, and all they're doing is just reading the sales page. Do not overcomplicate this. This is a great way for you to get started, okay? Now, how you take it up a notch, pretty much, is that when you do your video and you tell people like if they want to get more information on how to get, how to purchase this product, if they go to the link below this video, and they go to a page that they can actually submit their email address, and once they submit their email address, it brings them here to the sales page for here. Now you're building an email list. So even if somebody comes to this sales page and they don't buy anything, you now have their email on an email list, and that way you can provide value and continue to promote other Jvzoo and Warrior Plus products to your email list, and that's how you're going to start generating income on the back end, right? So that's one way you're going to start generating $100 per day. The emails that you send to the people who opted in, who didn't buy something the first time they saw something. The second thing is if somebody goes ahead and buys this product, usually, like you see how here it says like that particular product is $39. Well, you see right here it says the sales funnel. This product is a part of a sales funnel that includes up to 2 of the products. So on the back end, like I said, like they go ahead and purchase this product for $39. What's going to happen is this sales funnel is going to take them to another page. It's going to upsell them another product and upsell them again for something else. Now, depending on the price points for that, that's where you're going to probably get $100 per sale. You thinking that you're going to probably get $39 for this sale, but let's say that they go through they purchase this product, they go through the upsell, and let's say like the upsell is like $147. Guess what? You earn 50% of commission from that $147 on top of the commission that you're going to get with this $39 front end product. That's how you earn $100 per day. But the thing is, you have to do it every single day, and you have to be consistent, and also build up that email list as well. Make it really beefy, really much, right? And have a lot of people on that email list, so that way you have a higher chance of, making more sales. That's all you have to do, and that's how you make $100 per day. It's really simple, guys, okay? So don't overcomplicate the process. If anything, just get started. You don't even have to be great, right? You don't have to be great at this. I showed you how you could just record the sales page, and that's it. That's all I did, guys. I didn't know anything about affiliate marketing. I didn't know anything about these products. I just read the sales page and got really excited about it while I talked. And I got sales that way. And then over time, like I said, I started to offer my own bonuses to kind of sweeten the deal so people would buy from me. And that's all I just kept on doing. And when I kept doing more videos and things like that, people saw me as an authority, so they trust me even more, so they made the sales process a lot smoother. That's all you have to do, guys, okay? So hopefully you found this training helpful, guys. If you have any questions and you want me to do more videos like this onto YouTube, comment below, let me know, so I'll do more videos like this and maybe even break down this process a little bit further if you want me to. Also, hit that subscribe button. Also, hit that notification bell so you can get more updates when I do videos like this onto YouTube. And also below, I have a cheat sheet where you can get access to a video bootcamp series that will show you how to make an extra $1,000 to $3,000 per month in the next 30 to 60 days, okay? That cheat sheet, again, is below this video. Go ahead, click on that, get access to that video series. It's a video series, not a cheat sheet. It's a video series. Go ahead and get access to that, and I'll see you guys on the next one.